Hey everyone, in this video I will show you want to hidden your Instagram followers and following list. First, go to your Instagram. Tap on profile icon. Tap it 3 lines. Scroll down and select your account privacy. Turn on private account option. Tap it switch to private. Okay, done. Your follower list is hidden from stranger. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.